Hey, my name's Dominic. I'm the Vice President of our General Industrial and Residential Division at HJ3. And I want to talk a bit about our three uniques as a company of how we support our installers in this market. We believe that the priority for us day in and day out is same-day calculations, same-day shipments, being there through repair, and offering stronger, more durable materials to all of our customers and installers. In regards to our offering of same-day calculations and same-day shipments, us as a manufacturer, we pride ourselves on being able to be extremely responsive. We blend all of our resins and weave our fabrics in-house, and we can ship to you same day anywhere in the country. So they're being packaged and sent out the door the moment you say you need something. Furthermore, we can offer calculations where it's needed to provide structural repairs to a variety of walls, slabs, beams, or columns, whatever issues you're running into. So that's our commitment to you of same-day calcs and same-day shipments. When we talk about being there through repair, what we believe is it's not just about supplying you a product or a system. We believe it's about supporting you and your customers from start to finish on any project. So while we will begin with supplying you a design and shipping you materials, we want to make sure you understand how can you attack the install, how can you optimize productivity, how can you make sure the high levels of quality that this was designed and tested to are achieved on every single application. So that is our commitment to you as HJ3, to be there through repair every single time.